I'm really excited about this cordless vacuum I just got in by Homeika. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Like magic. Bam. And she's assembled. Got three modes. Get all up underneath there. I mean, look at it. Suck that up. Oh, yeah. Overall, I'm very pleased. I like the telescoping portion here, the HEPA filter. Easy to clean the trash bin and the filter. That just pops out. It's got the rotating brush head here. It's got this for the hard to reach spots. It even comes with a mounting plate to mount it on the wall. We paid under $90 for this. Highly recommend it. If you want one, you can get it right here.